guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today I'm gonna be giving you a tips that is just going to, leave your skin glowing, leave your skin radiant, leave your skin spotless, and also leave your skin very beautiful, and most especially evenly. Like, there is nothing as beautiful and as sweet as having one complexion from your head to your freaking toes. It is so beautiful. So this treatment is just gonna help you achieve that. So if you want to know what it's gonna be about, do continue watching, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video, and share the video if you think it was informative. Ask me some questions, please do that, like some personal questions or curious questions. Do that on my website. The link will be at the description box and also at the comment section. I'll pin it down there. Alright, also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm gonna be doing it around here so you can see that. So let's get into this video. Now for this glowing skin treatment, the first ingredient, and actually the main ingredient which we need for this treatment, is aloe vera gel. Now I have a little piece of it in my kitchen, and this is actually what I'm going to be using. Aloe vera gel is very gentle to the skin. It helps to heal so many skin blemishes such as pimples, rashes, pigmentations. It also helps to glow the skin. It kind of polish and give you a youthful skin. It unclog pores, and it also remove dead skin cells. I'm going to be preparing this aloe vera, but before that I'm going to be showing you the other ingredients we're going to be needing for this treatment. Alright, so the next one is aspirin. You'll be needing aspirin. What you do is that you just go to a pharmacy and you purchase aspirin. Now I actually crushed mine mistakenly, but still gonna be very useful. Alright, so you're gonna use aspirin for this treatment, and aspirin helps to kill upcoming pimples. It helps to calm the skin. It helps to remove redness. It also helps to remove pigmentation. Alright, and it's really good on the skin, so we're going to be preparing that. Now the last ingredient we're going to be needing is baking soda. It is really good. It removes pigmentation, dark spots, pimples. It also helps to lighten up the skin. If you're aiming to whiten your skin, you can use baking soda. Also, there's difference between baking soda and baking powder, because a lot of you guys have actually been asking me this question, which I'm going to be making a separate video for it. Baking soda is actually different from baking powder. In this treatment, we're going to be needing baking soda. Alright, now the first thing I would have to do is to crush the aspirin. You can see that. Now I've been needing a spoon to do that, and I will have to press it and hold it down to crush. And now I would have to use the same spoon to make sure it is smooth. Now this is actually very necessary to do, because it's gonna be very perfect on the skin. If it's not smooth, it's just not gonna do the work really. So we're gonna peel the side of this fresh aloe vera, and then we're just going to open it up. Now you can actually choose to blend your own, but mine, I'm not going to be blending this. I'm just going to be extracting the fresh juice into the aspirin. Alright, so I'm going to do it this way. And you just do it gently so there won't be lumps. Now we're still going to be gently scraping the aloe vera till we get to the bottom of this. Alright, you can actually just remove all the gel and you blend it, or you can just create it. Okay, I did a video on my other channel where I actually created the aloe vera. You can check that out. Okay, it's really simple and it's also very slimy, so you have to be careful if you're actually using a knife. Okay, so the next very important ingredient is the baking soda, and for this we're going to be needing half tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, this is half, and then we'll spread it into the treatment. I'll have to seal this up back, then we stir this up. Okay, now you have to be a little patient while stirring this up because you need all the ingredients to mix up together: the aspirin, the aloe vera gel, and the baking soda. You can see how it is. It's actually not mixed yet, so I need more time to stir. You have to be patient while stirring. You can stir this for another 1 minute. That's like 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna be stirring that. Now when it begins to mix up, would be giving you one particular color, which is milkish in color. Alright, so you have to look out for that. Look out for the milkish color. That's when it mixes very well. Okay, and the sliminess is going to reduce. So this is it. Perfect. Now how to apply this: to take this with your hands just like I'm doing, or you can actually use a brush, and then you apply this to your skin gently. You have to spread this all over your skin. This is just going to be, really you're going to begin to feel how soft your skin is. Now the treatment is going to contain just a little particles, like sugar or salt granite. Okay, so that is going to help you to exfoliate. What you do is to scrub gently. If you're actually applying this on your skin and you have a sensitive or soft skin, now you can actually decide to use rice powder instead of baking soda, or if you're actually using baking soda, you don't have to leave it on your skin for so long. Alright, just 30 seconds after you've applied and scrub, and after 30 seconds wash this off. Now you have to wash this off with cool water. Don't use warm water in washing this off at all. You have to wash it off with a normal cool water. So I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Now, because these treatments do not have preservatives in it, you can't store this till the next day. You have to always make a fresh one when you want to apply it. And also, it's not something you should apply every day. You can apply this 2 times or 3 times in a week, depending on how your skin is. But if you have a very sensitive and soft skin, you can apply it just once in a week, and that would be perfect. And after that, you apply almond oil on your skin. So here is my almond oil. Now you take a little bit of the almond oil, or you can actually use coconut oil. But if you're actually using any lightening oil, you make sure that it's not an oil that would, hurt your skin. You have to use a very soft and mild oil, right? And this will do once in a week or twice in a week. Applying this treatment will help glow and remove all manner of spots from your skin. Hi guys, so basically aloe vera is just one powerful great ingredient that helps to leave your skin flawless, leave your skin evenly toned, and leave your skin beautiful. I love to use this ingredient on my skin every blessed day because it gives me life. Like, it makes my skin speak. My skin can speak from afar, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so if you did enjoy watching that video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. That's it. Stay beautiful and stay glowing. Bye guys.